Good morning and welcome, all of you. I am Dharmdev Misra, your English teacher. Students, I am going to explain the lesson. If you have any problem, you can comment me. Okay, students. Okay, good morning, students. The previous day I was teaching you the fourth chapter of your textbook from the Diary of Anna Frank. Students, I have taught you some paragraph of this chapter. Today, we will read the next paragraph. As I have told you that it is an autobiography of a young girl named Anne Frank. She lived in a secret place and she did not have any good friends. So she made her diary the best friend and she named her diary Kitty. Now see the next. These are some oral comprehension question. Just check to know your knowledge, such as what makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anna Frank, and why does Anna want to keep a diary? Why did Anne think she could confide more in her diary than in people? So these are some questions. Just try to solve and see the next paragraph. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, if I were to plunge right in, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life as I dislike doing so. In this paragraph, Anna Frank says that no one believed that a young girl, a teenager girl of 13 years, is totally alone in this world. My father, the most adorable father I have been seen, means she says that his father is one of the most adorable, respectable person in the world. Didn't marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. Means he did not marry with her mother when she was actually his father married with his mother when he was 36 years old and his mother was 25 years old. She was my sister. Margot was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926 and her sister who was born in 1926. I was born on 12 June 1929 and Anna Frank born on June 12, 1929. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. My father immigrated to Holland in 1933 and they means her father immigrated का मतलब होता है प्रवास कर जाना. हॉलैंड में 1933 में my mother Edith Hollander Frank went with him to Holland in September while Margot and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. एंड इसके बाद ये इसकी बहन और इनकी दादी माँ ये लोग भी चले जाते हैं. मॉर्गॉट वेंट टू हॉलैंड इन दिसंबर एंड आई फॉलोड इन फेबररी व्हेन आई वाज प्लंग डाउन ऑन द टेबल एज अ बर्थडे प्रेजेंट फॉर मॉर्गॉट. और उस समय मॉर्गॉट के लिए एक बर्थडे जो सेलिब्रेट किया जाता था वहाँ केक रखा गया था. आई स्टार्टेड राइट अवे एट द मॉन्टेसरी नर्सरी स्कूल. मीन्स वो अपनी पढ़ाई मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल से स्टार्ट करती है एना फ्रैंक. आई स्टेड देयर अंटिल आई वाज 6 और 6 क्लास तक वहाँ रहती है. एट विच टाइम आई स्टार्टेड इन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. जब वो फर्स्ट क्लास में होती है इन द 6th फ्राम माई टीचर वाज मिस्टर क्यूपरस द हेड मिस्ट्रेस. और इनके जो टीचर थी मिसेज क्यूपरस थी जो कि हेड मिस्ट्रेस थी, प्रधान अध्यापिका थी. All the end of the year we were both in tears as we said heartbreaking farewell. And during the farewell there were tears both in the eyes of Anna Frank and her teacher. In the summer 1941 grandma fell ill and had to have an operation, so my birthday passed with a little celebration. And in 1941 Anna Frank's grandmother fell ill and she died. So, the celebration of her birthday was not completed in a grand manner. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for other, and the grandmother candle was lit along with her rest. और इनकी दादी माँ की भी कैंडल वहीं पर जलाई जाती है. द फोर ऑफ अस आर स्टिल डूइंग वेल. ये चारों लोग का मतलब एना फ्रैंक, her sister, father and mother. And that brings me to the present date of June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. It was a dedication for my diary. Okay students, there are some questions. Why does Anna provide a brief sketch of her life? What tells you that Anna loved her grandmother? So try to solve these questions. Okay students, the next paragraph will be explained tomorrow. Comment me please if you have any problem. Thanks so much for listening.